Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on quite a bit of rain for part of the ArkLaTex and lots of wind for the rest of the area as we go through the next 24 hours. Here's a look at the big disturbance we're watching now making its way across the southern Rockies. We'll see this upper level low move to our north. Area of low pressure develops in Texas and the associated cold front. All of this will gradually spread towards the northeast through the area here as we move through late tonight and tomorrow. So this is what it's going to bring as we first of all show you Futurecast, and you can see the scattered showers with a little bit of thunder that we've had today will continue into the night tonight. Late tonight we will see a band of very heavy rain set up over the northwest and northern corners of the area. That rain will persist through much of tomorrow morning. Notice the southern half of the ArkLaTex will probably have to wait until later Thursday to see a band of showers and thunder showers move through. That rain will likely come to an end very quickly as we go into Thursday evening. We clear out very quickly, and that'll set the stage for lots of sunshine. And notice the big arrows here. Very windy tomorrow. We stay rather breezy tomorrow night, and we become rather windy once again for Friday with that sunshine warming us up back into the mid to upper 60s. Now compare what you just saw with Futurecast to the ArkLaTex model. You can see the band of heavy rain setting up over the northwest edge of the area, so flood watch is in effect there. You'll see some rather impressive rainfall potential numbers here in a second. Now notice this band moving towards the east begins to weaken somewhat as it moves across the middle of the ArkLaTex and then refires somewhat as it moves into northeast Louisiana. To the east of the ArkLaTex, if we have any severe weather, that's more than likely where it will occur. As far as damaging thunderstorm winds, all of us will be dealing with some rather gusty winds, non-thunderstorm winds. Here's a look at the ArkLaTex and where it sees at least 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Wherever you see red on this map is where it's quite likely that we'll see the occasional gust of 40 miles per hour, not necessarily within any of the rain areas that move across the region. So tomorrow is, again, looking very windy. As far as tornadoes, the threat is not zero, but it's pretty close. Futurecast not showing much as far as any potential for a rotating storm. So as of right now, not too concerned about tornadoes. But biggest concern is going to be that heavy rain. You can see Futurecast shows anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of rain over the north and northwest edge of the area. East Texas, northwest Louisiana, probably looking at a quarter to maybe an inch of rain. You can see the ArkLaTex has the heavy rain in the same location over the north. And again, we do have the flood watch in effect for the northern edge of the area, and further to the southeast, basically a half an inch to an inch is what we could be looking at as far as rainfall potential. And then we experience some very nice weather for several days as this big upper level low moves through. We'll see upper level ridging begin to develop and move across the southern half of the country. We'll see highs back to the 60s Friday, Saturday, and then several days with highs in the 70s as we head into next week. Possibility we could have a little bit of rain try to develop as we go through the last half of next week, but right now it doesn't look like much. So a forecast tonight, main concern will be the development of some heavy rain over the northwest corner of the ArkLaTex. We will see fairly steady temperatures tonight, mainly in the 50s. Then tomorrow, very windy, again gusts over 40, looking very promising, as otherwise we'll see showers and thunder showers move across the region. Temperatures will warm into the mid 60s over the northwest half of the area and the upper 60s to low to middle 70s further to the south and east. 10-day forecast shows sunshine returning on Friday as we stay rather windy, 67 Friday, upper 60s Saturday, and then several days with highs in the low to middle 70s, lows, couple nights in the 40s, warm back up into the 50s, and again we will see that slight chance of rain as we move through the last half of next week.